Okay, week 3. So this week, I wanted to see if anyone else had already figured out part of this problem, the hub problem. I'm learning that I don't have to come up with every idea on my own, and there are a lot of great business schools out there. So before I start putting everything together, I wanted to see what other schools were already doing to solve this problem. So I am looking at AACSB-accredited schools that are focusing on experiential learning, working closely with employers, and have a central place where students can find career information and opportunities. Why? Because that's exactly what my project is trying to improve. So it stood out to me that we as a college are actually doing a much better job after our accreditation review talking about experiential learning. We're doing some things, we're sharing that on our website, our newsletters, our media platforms, and you can see all the stories about our partnerships, competitions, projects. So we're putting some good things out there now, but what about the students who are trying to figure out what opportunities are available before it's too late? So we're putting it out there, but it's already happened. We need to reach the students before it's too late, meaning before they graduate, before they get close to graduation. So back to week 1's problem. It's not an internship issue. It's not an opportunity issue. We have employers. It's not career services or Handshake or the internship office. And I just keep coming back to the communication. Are students finding those opportunities when they need them? Not are they available, but when are they available to students? As I started researching the schools, I found 2 that really had something working for them. The University of Arkansas Walton College of Business, they don't treat internships and employer relations, career coaching, recruiting, and all of their resources as separate things. It's all together under one career connection place. It gives students the one place to start looking instead of saying, good luck, find it on your own. The second school was North Carolina's Poole College of Management. They do something similar. They have career coaching, internships, employer events, mentoring, a lot of things that we have, but again, in one place. And it's easier for employers there to have a clear path to connecting specifically with their college. So our career office, our career services is encompassing for everything. It's not specifically for just the College of Business. So we're trying to create that micro filter in a sense. Neither school invented anything new. They are using their resources in a better way. They're organizing it. And honestly, it makes me feel a whole lot better about my project. That I'm not trying to replace the things that are available. I'm just trying to improve the way they connect and communicate. And I guess communication is now the big theme, because if I go back to my background in communications, it's easy to say to the dean, why don't you walk into the classrooms and tell students, make sure you get out there, make sure you do a project so you know what the real world is like. That's just not realistic. That's not how we communicate to students nowadays. So the more I researched, the more I realized my career communications hub is about making sure students know what's available to them while they still have time to take advantage of it. They're learning too late, they're experiencing too late, or they're not experiencing at all. While they still have time to make a difference before they graduate. So if we can make those opportunities easier for them to find, easier for them to understand, easier for them to connect with, we've made progress. So next week, the more I learn from the schools, the more I'm figuring out what our hub should actually look like for our specific college. I'm not looking to copy and paste, but we can work smarter and not harder And I want to build something that fits our students specifically and our employers and in the way we already work. So here's to smarter,